ITC Infotech is a global technology services and solutions provider led by business and technology consulting. At ITC Infotech, we pride ourselves in providing business-friendly solutions to help our clients succeed and be future-ready. ITC Infotech Pune is located at Kalyani Nagar. This is one of the most happening area in Pune. Located at Cerebrum IT Park, one of the first IT parks in this area. In a nutshell, I can tell you, ITC Infotech Pune has over 200 people and we deliver business-friendly solutions across different industry verticals.
The Pune team can deliver MES solutions and programs that has a direct linkage to improve the manufacturing business metrics based on the different KPIs like OE, SPC and so on. My team has a clear focus on delivering friendly outcomes based on the solution developed over the MES MOM platform or IoT platform to meet the client requirements and his business objectives.
In ITC Infotech Pune, we have built many apps using Windchill and ThingWorx platform catering the different business needs like product catalog, where catalog is provided to users to select and configure their product for selection, and enterprise change management system where UI UX is developed on the platform and backend is the PLM system. Test management where we integrate Windchill with ThingWorx platform to manage the test data, automation of test management. Business reports where data that gets pulled from different ERP systems and compared with PLM system to generate different automated business reports for data analysis.
In ITC Infotech Pune, I have a team of about 30 talented people working on different service lines like application development and maintenance, ERP solutions, infrastructure solutions, services, and cloud solutions. My teams deliver solutions mainly in BFSH and commodity industries, and we believe in offering solutions that help the client to achieve their business objectives.
Our motto is to create an environment where all senior PLM experts come together to create a place where we can be inspired, inspire others, coach and get coached. We are determined to deliver business-friendly solutions to our clients.
My team is focused towards managing end-to-end ERP-based solution implementation and deliveries of projects at ITC Infotech Pune. My team has a rich pool of talented and motivated people who work on application development, maintenance, and ERP implementation across technologies like SAP ERP, SAP Basis, S/4HANA, SAP GRC, and Oracle ERP. We truly believe in creating a value-based service for our customers.
Our office has yearly tournaments, sports tournaments like chess, there's carom, there's cricket, and various other yearly tournaments which promotes the indoor and outdoor games. Also, there are various training programs that take place at the office place, so we can always develop our skills and we get opportunities to work on new technologies, not just bound to the old technologies. Also, that helps us to grow and get a better future.
I believe Pune is the go-to place for everyone to work in because it has the best safety and the culture is lovely here. Also, I would like to tell you about my office location because it's the most prime location. Why? Because the airport and the railway station is the closest here. There's absolute no problem of transport, and I would like to tell you, metro is coming here.
Apart from being the night hub, it is famous for the outskirts. That's around more than 350 outskirts, including the Sinhgarh Fort, Lohgarh Fort, Rajmachi, etc., etc. So right from the you can say from January to December, you have each and every weekend you can plan about, be it inside the Pune or outside the Pune.